Mary, Queen of Scots, was a figure enveloped in tragedy and intrigue, caught between power struggles and personal betrayals as her life unfolded amidst the politics of 16th century Europe. Imprisoned for years in England, Mary faced not only the threat of execution, but also the heart-wrenching loss of her identity as she navigated the treacherous waters of loyalty and betrayal. In her final moments, Mary displayed remarkable courage, choosing dignity over fear, and her execution marked the end of a storied life filled with ambition, love, and heartbreaking loss. Even in death, Mary's legacy continued to influence the course of history as she became a symbol of resilience and the relentless struggle for power among royalty. Her life, marked by both glamour and despair, has become a captivating narrative, inviting historians and storytellers alike to explore the complexities of a queen who fought against the tides of fate. As she navigated the treacherous political landscape, the alliances she formed and the enemies she made ultimately shaped her destiny, leaving an indelible mark on history. Throughout her turbulent reign, the weight of secrets and treachery surrounded Mary, illustrating how trust and deception played pivotal roles in determining her fate. Amidst the grandeur of her court, Mary once basked in the admiration of her subjects, yet in stark contrast, the fragility of her crown foreshadowed the heartbreaking fate that awaited her. In her final hours, the walls of Fotheringhay Castle echoed with the memories of a queen who fought fiercely for her right to rule, leaving behind a legacy intertwined with both love and loss. The legacy of Mary, Queen of Scots, transcended her tragic demise, influencing countless women in power and forever shaping the narrative of royalty and resilience throughout history. As time passed, Mary became more than just a historical figure. She transformed into a symbol of strength and defiance, her story inspiring countless tales of courage against overwhelming odds. Centuries later, the tales of Mary resonate deeply as her journey serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring fight for identity, freedom, and the unyielding spirit of a queen who refused to be forgotten.